Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make oven baked moi moi. Be adding the peeled beans into the blender. Add the scotch bonnet and the sliced red bell pepper and onion. I'll be grating the nutmeg into the beans because I want it to mix together when I blend. I'll be adding water. I'll also crush my stock cube. Then I'll cover and blend. When I finish blending, I'll be pouring the mixture into a bowl. I will add curry powder and oil. I will stir so that everything will combine properly. Test for salt and add salt according to your taste. I'll also stir so that everything will combine. I'll be adding fish. If you like, you can use prawn, beef or chicken. Be stirring so that everything will mix properly. Grease the oven tray with oil or butter. I'll be pouring the moi moi mixture into the oven tray. Then I will garnish it with some toppings like mixed bell pepper, spring onion, fish. You can add any topping of your choice. I'll be adding raw egg. If you like, you can use boiled egg too. Sprinkle little salt on the egg. Cover with a foil paper. You can also use foil plates. So I'll be adding boiled egg in this one. I've already preheated my oven, so I'll be putting them into the oven and allow them to bake for about 45 minutes. About 45 minutes, now the oven baked moi moi is ready. Thank you all for watching.